All right, it's Washaholic Wednesday, and I'm Mike Kinderleiter, the Dean of Powerwash at Powerwash University and Powerwash.com. Today I'm just hanging out here in the front showroom at Powerwash.com, and look at that slick looking machine behind me there. That is our new Wolverine that'll be coming out soon. All stainless steel, very small footprint. This thing is going to go great in the back of enclosed trailers and on flatbeds. Just you want a small footprint, this is going to be the machine. Hot water. Anyway, today I want to talk to everybody about a concept I'm going to call social polarizing. And I think and there's always going to be unrest in the world, but I think because of social media and the way social media works, that it creates an opportunity for those that are on the platforms to like and unlike or unfollow people and push people away that have opposing opinions or viewpoints. And when you do that, you close your mind off to other perceptions in the world, and you're going to see more and more unrest because people are distancing themselves from opinions that differentiate from their own. And when you do that, you have a support network that only supports what you believe and your belief points, and you drift further and further and further to the outskirts, and you find the inability to be in the middle and to work with people that have opposing viewpoints, rather than trying to find ways to work together and find solutions. And because of what the term I'm using, social polarizing, social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and any others out there that allow you to push and unlike friends or to create this support group that only support your viewpoints are going to make and cause a population to become more and more polarized. So what I want you to understand is that as you do this and you pick your friend groups on Facebook, Instagram, I know I may be missing one or two others, or Pinterest, or whatever it is that you happen to be on. As you do that, you're going to find yourself getting out there in those extremes, whether it be the far left or the far right. And I encourage you, because obviously there are going to be people that we don't want to listen to because they push too far. Try to at least have some centrist people on your platform that can kind of keep you level-headed and help you understand other viewpoints and how to communicate so that you can find common ground and help others work together. And I say this in such a way that you really have to be aware of what the social, it's a phenomenon in our society that's going to continue to grow. And unfortunately, I think that as time goes on, we are going to become more and more polarized in our viewpoints, which I hope that doesn't happen. So that's really why I'm sharing this message today. So anyway, I'm Mike Kinderleiter, the Dean of Powerwash at Powerwash University and Powerwash.com. Check us out, and I hope you have a successful and awesome week. I'll see you next time. Take care.